Alright, so I've taken the intake manifold off and noticed a couple things. It's kind of sooty on the inside of there. I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty oily though. Inside the manifold itself is a little blackened, but not as much. It's only given me about that much. So definitely got an oil leak coming from the turbo. You can see in here where it connects to the intake. That's probably where it's the most concentrated amount of oil in there. And I think I've already wiped it all up just about, but quite a bit of oil in there. And I also noticed this tuna can thing, I forget, I think it's called the CVS or something, but I noticed where it leads to over here by the turbo blades, or where I think they are, it's a little bit oily as well. So that tells me there's oil down in here between the turbo and the air intake. And I checked the filter. I didn't pull it all the way out, but just because it didn't look like it was wet in here. So I was just looking at that, but yeah, that's where I'm at so far. I think I'm gonna leave the intake manifold off and try to fire it up and see what goes squirting out of here. So one thing I noticed just then was that it's running a heck of a lot better with the intake manifold off. So I'm guessing all my power issues I've been having, and I also noticed no matter when revving or on startup, I didn't get any smoke. Usually on startup I actually get white smoke on startup, but then anytime I put my foot in it and accelerate, I get some bursts of black smoke out of the exhaust. I got none of that just now with the intake manifold off, so some things to ponder about.